Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools that make travelers visible. Equip your analysis visor and a signal booster, and carry extra sodium for sustained scanning. Once done, open the star map and mark systems with anomalies, abandoned freighters, or high discovery activity. These attract travelers. Then jump to the nearest station or the space anomaly right away. Open the mission board and check for traveler-related missions, salvage requests, or NPC leads. That gives you immediate, high-probability leads to follow. With leads active, follow mission markers and system logs closely. Discovery notifications frequently reveal recent visitor activity. Land on planets with frequent distress or transmission beacons and investigate ruined buildings. Travelers often appear near comms or shelters. Meanwhile, deploy an economy scanner on target systems and watch space station docking queues. Travelers sometimes spawn during ship arrivals. Keep alternating between surface scans and station checks so you don't miss a transient appearance. When you spot a potential traveler, approach slowly and use comms or a minor trade offer to trigger interaction. This confirms identity and can start unique quests. If nothing shows after reasonable searching, force a reset. Reload the system, relog or leave and re-enter the star system to refresh spawns. This resolves many invisible spawn issues. Finally, set a teleport point near the anomaly or an active base so you can return quickly. If problems persist, repeat resets and check online community notes for recent spawn changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.